Hi everyone, today I have the Bosch impact driver, 18 volts, GDR 18 minus -. Okay, and the customer is complaining that there's some noise in a hammer mechanism. So of course we will deassemble it and check it. Okay, so first of all I will unscrew screws that are holding the motor housing. So okay, let's start. Okay, so what we can see, it's dust inside. We can see the motor carbon brushes from this hole. They are good now, so the motor will run for a long time, I think. Okay, so now I need to separate the motor from the hammer mechanism. I just turned the motor counterclockwise and taking it out. Okay, so one gear here left. Okay. Now they are here. Okay, so just checking the motor, how it spins. Okay, it spins nice. Okay, now I will take some paper to disassemble the hammer mechanism. Okay, there's two big gears here. Okay. So two pins here. I will press them out. Okay. Or maybe not. Okay, I will try to knock them out. They are thin, so I think I will try to use the bit. Oh, it's still too small. Okay. So what can we try now? Okay, I will try this key. Okay, now maybe the hooks. Okay. So the one pin is out, and the second one. Okay, second one not going out. I will push it out hard. No, it's not going. Okay. Go try different direction. Okay, still no. Okay, so I will try to knock it gentle. Yes, it's going. Okay, so it's out now. What we have here, we have all hammer mechanism, the anvil. So it's a grease here. It's like graphite grease. Okay, I will try to disassemble the anvil to take it out. No, can't get the ring, it's a holding ring out there. We'll try to do that with different hook. Okay, so the anvil is out now. And what we can see, it's a one ball here. Okay, the second one. It's the two balls here now. So this place is worn out a little bit, so it can be a problem and give some noises. Okay, now we can see the corner of the anvil. Why are you not focusing? Okay, and this corner is nice and this one no. As you can see, the bad corner and a good corner. So we need new anvil. Of course, need to check the sleeve here. I think it's good now. Okay, so of course we need to check the hammer here, how it looks. Okay, now as you can see, the corners is not as new, but they are still good. Okay, why are not focusing? Okay, so the hammer is good. So what we need for this tool, we need new anvil and of course new grease in the hammer mechanism, and it will be okay, of course, cleaning some dust here. So okay, that was Bosch 18 volts impact driver, and it's only anvil here, so it's not a big problem. Okay, for now that's all. Of course, please subscribe my channel, comment on my videos. If you have some questions, you always can ask me, I will try to help you. And for now, just bye.